He has cancer, and he is an Apso-Lopso Terrier mix. My sister never took him to the vet. I got him to the vet and found out he has cancer around his heart and his lungs. It's going to cost a fortune trying to save him. But he's cute as hell. He's worth every penny. This is one of the reasons I need donations. I really need some help, guys. I'm saving animals' lives. Horses, cows, chickens, ducks, anything that needs a home. I get it.
Listen, Tina, I have a girlfriend, and I ain't trying to live like this. So? Tina.
So.
Oh, look, make your own Sundays.
Gee. That's one of the bearded dragons.
Okay, listen. We're just gonna hang out for a minute, dance, and then we're heading back to your place, alright? Yeah, right. This is a party, Lisa. You can tap down to one man too long.